So today, we'll understand about synchronous and asynchronous code. Synchronous code means tasks run one after another. JavaScript waits for the current task to finish before moving to the next. For example, at a restaurant, you order food and stand at the counter doing nothing until your food is ready. Asynchronous code means tasks can start and JavaScript moves on without waiting. For example, you order food, sit with friends, and enjoy your time. When the food is ready, the waiter calls you. JavaScript handles the result when it's done. Now, let's see a real example of synchronous code in action. On the screen, I have a button and a simple subscribe form. Everything looks normal. I can type in the input box, select the text, and click the button. Now, what happens when I click Run Synchronous Code? As soon as I click the button, JavaScript enters this while loop. For the next 8 seconds, JavaScript is completely busy because JavaScript is a single-threaded. It cannot do anything else at the same time. Let me clear the console and click the button again. Notice I can't type in the email input box. I can't click the subscribe button and I can't even select the text on the page. The entire page feels frozen. This happened because the main thread is blocked. JavaScript is waiting for this task to finish before moving on. After 8 seconds, the loop ends. Then the console logged finish and suddenly the page becomes responsive again. This is why synchronous code is dangerous in real applications. It freezes the UI and creates a very bad user experience. This time, I'm using setTimeout. When I click the button, JavaScript starts the timers and immediately moves on instead of waiting. Watch closely. I click Run Asynchronous Code. But now the page does not freeze. I can still type in the email input, select the text, and click the button. That's because setTimeout runs in the background. JavaScript is free to handle user interaction while it waits. After 8 seconds, the callback inside setTimeout runs and logs finished in the console. This is the key difference between synchronous and asynchronous code. Synchronous code blocks the main thread. Asynchronous code keeps the UI responsive. This is why asynchronous program is so important in real-world JavaScript application. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on people in space project using a callback function. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.